SpaceX now has the right to buy Cursor for $60 billion or pay $10 billion and just walk away. Yes, you heard that right. The walkaway fee alone is more than what Cursor was worth just 1 year ago. But before we, of course, break this down, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Now that you have, well done. Let's break this down. Cursor was raising at a $52 billion valuation this week. Elon's offer, $60 billion. That's already priced for the next round. But that's not the actual number. The real number is $10 billion because even if SpaceX doesn't buy Cursor, they still pay $10 billion. This is a $10 billion call option on AI coding. In March, they shipped Composer 2, their own model, and it beat Claude Opus 4.6 on terminal benchmarks at 1/10 the cost, which changes the game. Because now Cursor is a model company. But then, of course, there is a catch. Training frontier models needs frontier compute. And guess who controls that? OpenAI, Anthropic, Google. The same companies Cursor is competing against. So they were basically literally renting compute from companies trying to kill them. That's where SpaceX comes into the picture. Through xAI's Colossus cluster, which is 230,000 GPUs today, scaling to 1 million GPUs this year, largest AI training cluster, by the way, on Earth, Cursor is already using tens of thousands of those GPUs to train Composer 3. So here's the deal. Cursor gets massive compute scale, independence from competitors, $10 billion guaranteed. Now what does this SpaceX get? A front row seat in AI coding, an option to buy the winner or walk away after learning everything. But here's the real strategy. SpaceX is hedging the entire coding market because right now, OpenAI has Codex, Anthropic has Claude Code, Google has Gemini CLI. xAI is behind. So instead of competing directly, Elon just bought optionality. Cursor gave up the right to be acquired by anyone else for 1 year in exchange for the largest compute access on Earth, which is $10 billion downside protection. Time to, of course, scale independently. And here, of course, is the front page take. AI is no longer about models alone. It's about compute, distribution, control. And Elon just did something very specific. He didn't buy Cursor. He bought time. He bought data. And he bought the right to decide later when he makes up his mind. Please do let us know what are your thoughts in the comments below. This, ladies and gentlemen, is Front Page by the AIM Network. Like, share, subscribe, and always remember, think AI, think AIM.